Good evening. I am Mrs. Malliga Poornesh, your English teacher, welcoming you all for an interesting session. In this session, we are going to see an interesting part, that is, we are going to learn many words in a very easy way. To speak or even to write, we need to learn many words, and it is not possible for us to memorize each and every word. So we have to plan many tricks and techniques to enrich our vocabulary. Now, one such helper is this affixes, and under this affix we are going to see prefix, suffix, and affixes. Now, let us start the lesson with the happy man. See, this is the picture of a happy man, and see the next picture. The man is not happy. We can say he is unhappy. See, now just by adding un before happy, we have coined a new word saying unhappy. Understand? Now, when you say unhappy, definitely the mood of the man is changed. And remember, this is not the short opposite, like we are not saying he is sad. He is not happy. It shows the. Now, these additions are called affix. Let us see that. Affix is a letter or a small group of letters added before or after, or both before and after the main word. And when this addition results in change in the meaning, or sometimes they change. There will be changes in the spelling also. Understand? Now, what next? As we said, we are going to see suffix, prefix. Prefix, as we say, pre means before. Now, when we make this addition before the word, before the main word, and there are so many names. We call that word in many ways, like main word, root word, base word, but all are the same. When there is an addition before this base word or root word or main word, that is called prefix. Import, export, enable, for example, we can have. Now, let me introduce some of the common prefixes. An, in, em, inter, anti, dis, pre, post, miss, over, under, ex. There are many and lot. In your later classes, you can just learn all that. Now, see, just by adding this, you can learn many words in an easy way. That's what again and again I'm telling. Next, some of the examples. Let us see some of the examples for the prefix. Enjoy, import, misfortune, disable, immature, prepaid, postpaid, pre-board. Unnatural, underestimate, overconfidence, empower, illiterate, and illegible. Now, enjoy, n is prefix, joy is main word, import, m prefix for joy, main word, misfortune, mis prefix, fortune, main word, disable, dis prefix, able, main word. You can try the other words like immature, prepaid, postpaid, prepaid, pre-board, unnatural. See, in unnatural, the affixes, that is, you can find both suffix and prefix in this word. Now, let's move on to the next one, suffix. Suffix, as I mentioned earlier, is the addition after the main word. Now, for example, nature is the main word, and when you add L, AL, there is a change. Instead, E is removed, and we take only NATURAL. The same when I say happily, that last word, last letter Y is taken. Instead, we add I and happily and useful. See, natural, al, happily, li, useful, full. These are the suffixes. Now, let us see some more suffixes. Li, ly, illy, full, meant, al, shun, able, age, sh, n, a, ship, st. Now you can find many examples. See, readable, read, able, affix, readable, able, readable, able as suffix, happily, li is suffix, happiness, ness is suffix, slowly, li again is suffix, busy. Bus is the main word, and busy, the meaning entirely changes. See, now later, latest, suspicion, playful, naturally, strengthen, player, actor, tailor, friendship, all these you can try to find the suffix. This will be a training for you. I hope this session was useful and you could know. Now you will be more confident that you can enrich your word power. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.